Do you want to learn how to make VHS effect? Like this? On CapCut PC? Watch this video and don't skip it. Here, I will import a stock footage, add this footage on the timeline, and then follow my steps. Go to Effects and search for an effect called DV Tape. And then put all values to 0. Next, add DV Retro 3 effect and put its strength to 0. Next, add this effect called Jitter. Put its range to 10. Next, add Oblique Blur effect. Put value of range between 18 to 25. Next, add Strong Sharpen and keep its value between 50 to 60. Next, add Blur to it. Keep its value between 3 to 6. And in the last, you can add Noise effect if you want to. And here are the results. If it helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more.